Okay. This is the impact of motivational book reading on self-efficacy and locus of control. My name is Mitchell Lanzl. I'm from the School of Management at Kean University. Introduction. A stream of studies found that students' self-efficacy, self-esteem, and locus of control have a positive impact on students' retention rate. Grounded on the vicarious learning theory, we developed a program that aims to develop students' self-efficacy, locus of control, and self-esteem by reading a book that delivers an inspirational message of the importance of positive attitudes. Thus, through the research, we asked the following questions. Number one, does the motivational book reading have a positive impact on students' self-efficacy, locus of control, and self-esteem? Literature review and hypothesis development. So to start off with the first factor of this research, self-efficacy, this is the belief a person has about their ability and likelihood of completing a task successfully. People who view their actions as highly efficient put forth more effort into completing tasks. The role this plays on students' performance is that academically, self-efficacy is a more critical factor to result in academic success. This led us to form our first hypothesis: motivational book reading will positively influence readers' self-efficacy. Literature review and hypothesis development continued. The second factor of this research is locus of control. This is when an individual designates control over events that occur to them. Someone with an external locus attributes outside factors for life events, whereas someone with an internal locus of control credits themselves for outcomes. Those who have an internal locus tend to be more self-motivated and independent. The role this plays on students' performance is that it played a significant role in learning and sense of responsibility. Internal locus of control increases the probability of graduating from high school and the probability of attending college. Through this, it led us to form our second hypothesis: motivational book reading will positively influence readers' locus of control. The third and final factor of this research was self-esteem. Self-esteem regards to how people feel about themselves. Those with a high self-esteem view themselves as more capable, whereas those with low self-esteem feel poorly about themselves and carry many self-doubts. The role this plays on students' performance is that students with higher levels of self-esteem and more peer systems have better academic adjustment. This led us to form our third and final hypothesis: motivational book reading will positively influence readers' self-esteem. Research methodology. 67 business major students in the mid-sized university in the East Coast, Kean University, took part in this research. The demographic information is here below: male and female, age, race, and GPA. The experiment consisted of, giving students to read one motivational book, which was premised with a pencil, and write essays to reflect their learning as course requirement. 2 surveys were administered before and after reading the book. The first survey consisted of demographic info, personality, attitudes, and the second survey was strictly just attitudes. As you can see, we have hypothesis 1, 2, and 3, and the test results. On the left is the paired samples test, and on the right is before and after reading the book. Conclusions. The current study found that motivational book reading improves students' self-efficacy and locus of control, but no effect on self-esteem. The current study first tested the impact of reading a motivational book on the improvement of students' attitudes. The analysis of students' essays added the qualitative analysis to the quantitative analysis. Some of the practical implications that came along with this project were that students' self-efficacy and locus of control are closely related to academic performance, satisfaction, retention rate. However, few programs have been developed to foster the students' good attitude. Colleges should include motivational book reading as part of the curriculum. And that's it. Thank you.